Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be tidying up the patio because it's pretty dusty. I would love to completely redecorate this space for fall and switch up the colors, but we're moving in about 2 months, so I'm going to hold off on that. I haven't been decorating at all lately because my focus is on getting the house decluttered. I've been purging home decor and listing a lot of items in my Poshmark closet, so check that out if you want to get your hands on any of it. I'm not going to add a lot of decor on the patio, but I do have some string lights that I want to hang up out here because we still use the space almost every day. So I have the solar globe lights by Ollny, who's kindly sponsoring today's video. I love the cozy look of string lights on a patio at night. Now the color on the lights that I have are both warm white and multicolored, so I really love that you have both options to play around with. It comes with a remote with 11 modes you can choose from. You also have your ground stake for your solar panel. You can also set a timer for 4, 6, or 8 hours, which is really great because our bedroom is right next to the patio and we have glass doors, so we can still see that light at night, and I just don't want it on when we're trying to sleep. So I really like that it comes with the timer. Now if you like to decorate your porch for Christmas, I think these lights will be perfect for that, especially with them being solar powered. If you're interested in these lights, you can check my description box for the link and a discount code. You can also go and browse the website because they do have more beautiful styles to choose from. I'm gonna go ahead and hang the lights up now and get this patio in order so I can really enjoy this space, especially at night. I'm so excited. Cannot wait to do dinner on the patio at night with the lights on. It's gonna be so cozy. But yeah, let me go ahead and get started, and I hope you enjoy watching. Whenever I deep clean the patio, I do remove the cushions and put them in the washing machine, but it's really not that bad, so I'm just gonna tackle the cushions with the vacuum. Now with this seating having a black metal frame, you can really see the dust build up on it, so I'm just using some soapy water to clean all of that off. I get a lot of questions about this vacuum because I use it a lot in my videos. It's my go-to vacuum. I have others, but I always reach for this one. I just wish the battery lasted a bit longer. On the high setting, you're probably gonna get about 15 or 20 minutes out of this battery before it dies. I don't believe the model that I am using is available anymore. I do believe they did upgrade it online. You can find it on Amazon. I'll have the link in the description box. The newer model could have a longer battery life, but you can just check the reviews online and see what people are saying. Alright, I am done with the patio. It's starting to get dark outside, so the footage isn't that great. Sorry about the quality, but I still want to show you the lights at night. Well, it's not night yet. Maybe I'll insert a clip at night, see how it looks when it's like pitch black outside and the lights are on, but I still wanted to just come out here before that happens because you can still see the lights, and I just love the way this looks. I've been wanting to do lights like this on the patio for a while, but I just don't want to deal with like the cord to plug them in, and these are perfect because they are solar lights. So I have the panels sitting here, and you can turn it off if you don't want them to come on at all at nighttime. You just turn that off, but when it's on, then during the day it's gonna power up, and then when it gets dark enough, the lights will come on. So it's great. I definitely recommend these lights. I think they are so gorgeous, and I did use 3 in this space, and I can use the one remote for all of these solar panels to control all of the lights. I don't have to use all 3 remotes. I can just use one and it works with all of them, so that's great as well. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'll do so. That'd be so awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.